Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to do a second look using the Natasha Denona Retro palette, mini retro palette. I used all of the pinks and didn't use these two, as you can tell here, and I also added my own little twist to it with the blue eyeliner. So if you guys want to see, if you guys want to watch me come to the finished product of this look, then just keep watching. Starting with the Vintage Taupe shade, is that what it's called? Yep, Vintage Taupe. I'm going to take that into the crease and just basically blowing this out because I want this to be what am I trying to say, like light and blown out. This color is also pigmented and doesn't take much to build up either. On my skin tone, it's coming off as more peach tone than, I don't know, it kind of looks more pink in the pan, to me anyways, but it's coming off more peach on my skin tone. Sebastian's sleeping on me already. At least he's being quiet, right? Oh, there goes the growl. Okay. I'm probably going to want to work with that more in a little bit, but for now I believe that's fine. Maybe just work some onto the outer half of the lid there. Okay, next I'm going to take a little bit of my glitter glue and apply that all over the lid. If you want to wet your brush to do this step, you can, whatever works well for you. For me, this works better. I find if I wet my brush and then go in with the eyeshadow, it creates too much texture on my eyelid, and you can see all of the wrinkles that will come out with that method. And then I'm going to take this shade here, the Pixie color. I'm going to start taking that on the brush, and I'm going to take it on the middle portion to the outer half. Actually, I'm going to take it all the way, and I'll just put the other shade of red over top of it. This is a pretty color. It's a nice peach color. It reminds me a bit of my Urban Decay Moon Glow in the shade Starlight, but this one's more peach versus this one's more, has a bit more pink to it and has a bit more color. That's just basically a shimmer. Okay, and then I'm going to work this slightly into the crease just to blend them together. And I'm going to go back with my crease brush and just continue to blend those. Maybe go back with some more of the Vintage Taupe. Alright, and then I think I'm going to take a little bit more. Do I take more glitter glue or do I just try this? Alright, I'm going to try this Galaxia shade. I'm going to try that color just on my finger, right over top on the inner half, just to see what that. Okay, I don't think I need glitter glue for this. Just gonna. Alright, beautiful. Can you guys see that shine? Hopefully you can, because it's gorgeous. Alright, I'm going to go in with my brow bone color next, and I'm going to apply that on my brow bone. I wanted to apply that first, just to change it up, but I forgot, because this is my routine. And then go back with the crease brush with nothing on and just blend those together. Maybe just go back with a little bit more of the Galaxia shade and just tilt my head back and just really, I wanted to bring it just up a little bit more just so you can see it. I love a nice shimmery. Can you stop growling, sir? Alright, that, I'm going to take, for this look here, I am going to go back into my Hustler Baby from Fenty to do the inner part here. You can use the Pixie shade if you'd like, or if you don't want to do that step, feel free to skip it. I am going to go now apply eyeliner, and then I'm going to finish the foundation, do the rest of my face, and then finish the lower lash line with you guys. Alright, so if I look a little sweaty or really shiny or really glowy, it's because I tried something different. I tried to mix a little bit of the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I feel like I mixed in just a titch too much because my forehead, it's all I can see is like this faint little like shimmer slash sparkle. Tried to set it with loose powder and tone it down a little bit, but it did not seem to be working. So if I look a little Tin Man-ish, that is why. So for bronzer today, I used the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. For highlight, I used this Hourglass Ambient Strobe. I believe this is the one that just came out again. I got it when it originally launched. I'm curious to see how the new formula compares to the old formula, but that's what I used for my highlight today. For my blush, I wanted something peachy and dewy, so I used my YSL lipstick, the Rouge Volupte. It's an old one, number 30. Just like a peachy. They smell so good still though. I always love the smell of the YSL lipsticks. Alright, so continuing on the eyes, I did my brows, I applied my liner. Excuse me. All that's left is to do the lower lash line and the inner corner. So I thought of doing something slightly different today, just because I wanted to just zhuzh it up a bit and make it different. But first of all, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Magnetic Pink again, all under the lower lash line. This look is, the lower lash line here is going to be similar to my last tutorial, but I am going to change it up slightly. I'm taking the Pixie color, the one in the very end, on my 217 or 219, does the name really matter? A pencil brush. Take it on a pencil brush, or whatever brush you like to use for your lower lash line. I'm taking this all the way to the inner corner. And then I'm going to wipe it off on my towel that I have on my leg. And I'm going to dip into the Galaxia shade. And I'm going to put that right on the inner corner again. Okay. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to apply my MAC Gold pigment. Use whatever inner corner highlight that you enjoy using. Just got to shake it up a bit 1 second, get some more product here. Okay, I'm just going to blend it up and in to the inner area here. Alright, I think that looks nice. So it's a little different from my last tutorial, which was yesterday. Okay, so now to switch it up, I'm going to take this blue eyeliner from Urban Decay. And I'm going to set it with a blue eyeshadow. Give me 1 second here while I get everything organized. Gonna wipe off the waterline. Taking a small brush and going into a matte blue eyeshadow. Sorry if I keep looking up into the viewfinder, it's because I'm making sure I'm in focus. Sorry, in frame, not in focus. Okay, that turned out a little darker than I wanted it to be, but I guess it'll work. Alright, repeating with the other eye. A shimmery blue eyeshadow would look really pretty with this too. I didn't think of that until just now. Okay. Sorry, for the blue eyeshadow I used one from my Natasha Denona, the purple blue palette, and I used this one here. Ko Tayo is the shade. I'm probably completely butchering the name of that, but Okay, so all I'm going to do now is go back in with my pencil brush in that Pixie shade and just top up the color underneath. Alright, I believe that is it for the eyes now. I'm going to apply mascara and come back and put the lip on and show you guys the final look. Alright, I've added mascara, fluffed my hair up. I'm about to complete the look with the lip gloss that I am choosing to use, which is the Marc Jacobs in Rah Rah. I thought a pink would look nice, but I wanted a coral. I thought that would look really pretty with this look. I didn't want a lipstick because I wanted to keep it light and fresh. Well, as fresh as a full face of makeup can be. Okay. There, I think that turned out really nice. I enjoy the blue on the waterline with there's a little bit of blue shimmer in the Galaxia shade here. Excuse my nails, I have to do them. They're flaking off horribly. But yeah, I thought the blue in the shimmer would complement the blue eyeliner nicely, so I went with it. I'm pretty happy the way it turned out. I hope you guys did too. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Maybe I'll try and do a few more looks with these, even though with only 5 shades, again, there's only so much you can do with it, but I wouldn't mind using it with other things in my collection and mix and play with. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys will see me in my next video. Bye!